This is my Jura Impressa C60. And in this video, I'll show you how to remove these screws on the back. As you can see here, these are not your typical hex screws. So originally I thought they were, so I bought one of these kits to see if I can remove it, and I couldn't. Well, turns out you need a special key like this to remove them, and I'll have the links in the description below. So this special key fits right in there, and now you can turn it, as you can see here. And that's how you remove them. Now, if you're in a rush and you can't wait a couple days from Amazon to get this, here's what you can do also. You can use a pair of pliers like these and gently clamp them and slowly turn it. Now, this is a very painful process because you got to do this 4 times, and as you can see, it slips. However, I've done this once before and it does get the job done, but to save time and just buy one of these, they're very inexpensive and you'll be all set. Hit that like button and thanks for watching.